Hello Khan Academy. So today I want to tell you a little bit about how we're using Khan Academy in South Africa, which is a low bandwidth environment. And so I want to first tell you about the current solution that we're using to the bandwidth problem, and then talk about how we're trying to improve it. So typically when one of our learners is on the website, they'll be working on one of the exercises, and what will happen is that at a certain point they'll get stuck, so they'll need the video to move further. And so what a learner in the US might do is they would go down here and click on the video. But if we do that, well, it won't stream, or it'll take an extremely long time to download, especially with 20 kids in a lab. So what we have them do at present is, this is normally a server address, an IP address where the videos are stored on a local server, and this is basically the Khan on a Flash solution that was created a little while ago, and it's very good and it's very robust. So they're looking for this video on equivalent fractions too, and they'll come and look for it here. And I'm not sure where it is, but for example, they can.
Welcome to the presentation on level.
They can come and watch the video here. Now it's a good and robust solution, but there are two problems. The first is that it's not easy to update, and so I think this one's quite old. It's October 2010. And secondly, it's not always intuitive to a 13 or 14-year-old that equivalent fractions falls into arithmetic or pre-algebra or algebra. It's not clear to them where to find it, and even if they know where it is, they go hunting through lists to find it. So it's a reasonably good solution, but here's what we're trying to do to improve it. So what we have set up is a server that runs on locally in the computer lab, and it basically serves the videos locally. And then what we have is an extension in Firefox, and it's called Local Khan Academy. And what it does is, if the kids want to watch a video on the Khan Academy website, well, they can click on the video on the website, and what the extension does is it tells the browser to play the video locally instead of drawing it from over the internet. So there we go. So it's switched out, and
let's say we have the equation 7 and notation of the equation divided by visualize it. So if I have
so that's what we're trying to do. It's not perfect yet, and we're hoping to improve it, but we think that it will make the user experience in the low bandwidth environments quite a lot more pleasant.